Hello friends, I am Dr. Nikhil Datar, Gynaecologist from Mumbai. Even before the king of fruits, that is mango, arrives in the markets, we start getting inquiries from our pregnant patients about whether they can eat mango when they are pregnant. This episode of Pregnancy Myths and Truths is dedicated to this subject of mango and pregnancy, and it is dedicated to one of my patients, Preeti, who asked this question to me for the first time in this season. Actually, mango is an absolutely power-packed fruit. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D. It contains potassium. It contains iron. Although it is not the best source of iron, it can definitely help you to improve your hemoglobin. Mango as a fruit has a lot of fiber into it, so it is very beneficial for those people who have problem of constipation. Few things in the mango are immunoboosters. They are some antioxidants, so again absolutely beneficial for good health of a pregnant mother. But let me tell you that mango is a power packed fruit for calories and sugar also. Those people who eat mangoes, particularly more mangoes in the pregnancy, have got higher tendency of gaining weight or increasing sugars in their body. Particularly obese pregnant women, diabetic pregnant women should stay away from mangoes as far as possible. So, how does our ancient Indian medical system, that is Ayurveda, looks at mangoes? Because there is a myth that mango should not be eaten during pregnancy. Now, I must tell you that mango as a fruit is known to us, particularly in India, for almost about 6,000 years. Even in Valmiki Ramayana, there is a mention of mango as a fruit being available on Indian subcontinent. I discussed this issue with a lot of Ayurvedic physicians, and this is what I found. According to the Ayurvedic sciences, mango is supposed to balance three doshas that are there in the body, and it is supposed to be a very rich energizer to the human body. Mango, particularly the ripe one, is supposed to have a sweet as well as a heaty property according to the Ayurvedic science. An unripe mango or a green mango is supposed to be astringent and cooling property. But nowhere in the Ayurvedic sciences it has been found that mango is contraindicated or mango should not be eaten during pregnancy. So from where must have this myth come from that pregnant patients or pregnant women should not be eating mangoes? And honestly, I also do not have an answer to this question. But let us look at the way the mangoes were made to ripe. They are cut unripe from the trees. They are mixed with certain chemicals like calcium carbide so that they are artificially ripened. Now, chemicals like calcium carbide are pretty dangerous chemicals. So that might be the reason for which people started saying that pregnant patients or pregnant women should not be having mangoes. In 2016, the Indian FDA came out very clearly and banned the use of such chemicals like calcium carbide for artificially ripening the mangoes. So, for all those mango lovers, here are few tips for you when you decide to eat mango during your pregnancy. Number one, mango is an absolutely power packed fruit. It's a very nutritious fruit. Number two, mango is power packed for calories and sugar also. So there is a possibility that you may gain weight or your sugars may fluctuate. If you are a diabetic or a obese pregnant woman, then it is advisable to stay away from the mangoes. Those who want to eat such high calorie food like mangoes should prefer to eat it in the first half of the day. Try and as far as possible not mix other things like sugar and all those things and make it even further calorie rich or sugar rich when you are consuming mango. If at all you want to eat mango, then see to it that the whole fruit is thoroughly washed so that in case if there is any chemical on the peel of it, then that chemical will go away. Try to eat or consume organically grown mangoes so that there is absolutely no problem. Those who want to eat unripe mangoes or kacha mangoes in the form of achar, well, everybody knows that achar contains lots of oil and lots of salt, which both again is not very good for pregnancy. So, in short, to all those mango lovers, you can definitely enjoy the mango, but with taking the required precautions.